Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever. It's morning here. I got a little issue with my truck. I was at Lowe's yesterday, and it always has trouble starting. But yesterday, on the second crank, I lost all power, lost everything. And I got out here, and as you can see, it looks like them threads right there are boogered up, and it did the same thing to me this morning as I was getting ready to go vote for DJT. And so what happened was, I'll come in and just try to tighten it up again like I did yesterday. I didn't realize it was stripped out. I cleaned it up with this little wire brush, cleaned her down, got a little bit of corrosion out of there and whatnot, and then I went to put it back in there and it's stripped. It's only tightening up so much. And I don't think it's this thing that's stripped. I think it's the bolt. The bolt. As you can see, it's kind of gnarly. So, I got a little solution here. I've got these, oh, nifty. I've got this lead soldering stuff. It's old. I don't even know where I got it. Probably picked it up somewhere along the way of the trails of life. And here it is. Gonna hopefully provide me with a little temporary repair so I can get this truck up and running. So I can go vote for DJT. That's right. I said it. You voting for the man. My plan here, if it works, is to just kind of wrap this around some of these threads and kind of fill in some of this mess here. Just enough so maybe I can get this thing tight just for a temporary repair, because obviously I'm going to need to replace this thing at some point. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here. I'm gonna get my little, see what happens. Don't seem like nothing's happening right now. Put some pressure on it. Oops. Camera fell. Oops. Oh, whoa. She seems like she's tightening up. Now she's not. Well, it's snug. I don't think it's a permanent deal, but let's see what happens here. Make sure nothing's going to fall in the fan. Well, it looks like everything's out of the way. I got power. That's good. Let's see if it stays. We're good. Alright, so like I said, temporary fix, long enough to get you going where you're going. And what I'll need to do is, when I get me a replacement part, I'll chop this thing off right here, put a new connector area on here, and slap it in there and make sure it's right. I don't know how it got stripped out. It's ridiculous. I don't over tighten them, that's for sure. So anyway, thought that might be a quick tip for you. Don't forget, vote for Donald Trump. Bye-bye.